I'm Dr. Darpan Kaur, and today I'm going to talk about how you need to brush your teeth if you have receding gums. In my last video, I talked about and demonstrated a technique known as a modified bass brushing technique, which is or rather should be the most commonly used brushing technique. However, it is useful for people who have non-receding gums. Aging and or improper oral hygiene is the most common cause of receding gums. So this technique may be useful for people who fall in the age group of 55 years and above. If you're unsure about whether this technique might be useful for you, the best thing to do is to go and have a look at your gums in the mirror. One of the most common symptoms of receding gums is sensitivity to hot or cold liquids. This happens because as your gums recede, the roots of your teeth which were otherwise covered get exposed to the oral environment. The technique I'm about to demonstrate today is known as a modified Stillman's brushing technique, and barring a few differences, it is not much different from the modified bass brushing technique that I demonstrated previously. So make sure you check out my previous video for some detailed pointers. I'll be attaching the link of the same in the description box below for your convenience. Now let's move on to the demonstration. In this technique, after angulating our toothbrush at an angle of 45 degrees from the long axis of the tooth, the bristles need to be placed partly on the visible portion of the tooth and partly on the gums. After proper positioning, the bristles are activated by using short back and forth motions, and after 20 strokes, the bristles are rotated downwards so as to remove all the debris. After brushing the outer surfaces of your teeth, you'll need to move on to the inner surfaces. The same technique needs to be followed, making sure the bristles are covering your gums along with the surface of your teeth. And after 20 gentle strokes, the brush is rotated downwards. Next, we'll be brushing the biting surfaces of our teeth using a back and forth motion. After you're done brushing your upper teeth, you'll want to move on to your lower teeth. So once again, after angulating your toothbrush at an angle of 45 degrees from the teeth, you'll place half the bristles on the teeth and the other half over the gums. And after 20 gentle strokes, an upward rotation has to be given to remove all the debris. Repeat the technique on the outer surfaces, followed by the inner surfaces, and lastly on the biting surfaces of your teeth. After you're done brushing your teeth, make sure you brush your tongue as well using the same toothbrush or with the help of various cleaning accessories available in the market. Neglecting your tongue during brushing can be a major cause of bad breath. This technique has an added advantage of offering good gingival massage. The duration of your brushing should be at least 3 minutes, and make sure that you keep your strokes gentle. Brushing vigorously offers no advantages whatsoever. If you think this video might benefit somebody you know, make sure you share it with them. If you found the contents of this video helpful and useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on oral hygiene. Bye-bye and see you next time.